Hi there, this is Jane from the blog Chalking Up Success, and today I'm using this old tablecloth and some dried lavender to make lavender bags for our wardrobes. So first I'm using some card to make a template in the size that I want my lavender bags to be, and I've added about half a centimetre seam allowance to the template, and then I'll just put the template onto the fabric here and trace around it and cut out, and I need 2 squares of fabric for every lavender bag that I want to make. By the way, this is a great craft for children too, because the lavender bags can be sewn by hand with a running stitch or a blanket stitch if you don't have a sewing machine, or if your little ones are too small to use one. But then I'm using a Christmas decoration to make a template for the star, and I'm going to cut those out from some linen fabric that I have left over. And then I'm just going to spray the stars with fabric adhesive and attach them to the middle of the squares of white fabric. And then I use a sewing machine to stitch the squares together, and but you can also hand stitch them if you want, like I said, and just leave one end open because that's when we're going to put the lavender in. To finish off and make sure this doesn't come undone, I'm just going to pull both sides of the thread through to one side of the fabric so that they're both on the same side, and then I'll just tie them off in a knot. Then turn the bag the right way out, and if you find it hard to make the shape, just use a small blunt object, like I used the rounded side of a quick unpick to gently push out the seams. You can either leave your bag like this at this stage, or if you're using a sewing machine, you can make another row of decorative stitching around the edge of the bag, which is what I actually did using a herringbone stitch. And now it's time to fill your lavender bags with lots of lovely dried lavender seeds. If you don't grow lavender at all, you can buy the dried seeds or the dried flowers online. I'll leave a link in the show notes down below to where you can find them. Giving these little lavender bags to friends and family is like giving a little piece of your garden for them to enjoy. Cut some ribbon to the size of the hanging loop that you want to make. Fold the ribbon in half and tuck it inside the open side of your lavender bag. Then sew the open edge closed using either your machine or by hand. Blind stitch is also great for this. I'll leave a link down below to a post on the blog which shows you how to do that if you like. And then your lovely lavender bags are finished. I can tell you that just making these lavender bags was therapeutic in itself. My whole house has been smelling of lavender for days now, and I wish I could send you the aroma. There are so many uses for lavender bags in your home. Tuck one inside your pillow to induce a tranquil sleep, or keep your laundry and linen smelling fresh and fragrant. Tuck one in your sock drawer to keep the socks smelling nice, or why not have one in your shoe cabinet, or pop one in an empty suitcase to keep it smelling sweet. Lavender bags are a great natural alternative to toxic mothballs. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the bell if you'd like to be notified every time I upload a video. So that's it for this week, and I'll see you soon.